There are many types of common aluminum plastic film waste, such as food packaging bags, milk cartons, medical device packaging films. These aluminum plastic wastes are difficult to completely separate aluminum from plastic. Aluminum plastic wet separation recycling equipment is designed to use chemical agents and clean water to completely separate aluminum and plastic from aluminum plastic films. Now, let's explain in detail how the equipment separates aluminum from plastic. Let's first look at the first part. This part involves shredding and soaking the raw materials. The waste aluminum plastic is conveyed to the dual-shaft shredder for shredding. There is also a crusher at the bottom, which ensures the material is well shredded. The shredded material is then conveyed to the reaction tank. Around the reaction tank are 3 tanks: a clean water tank, a low-concentration tank, a high-concentration tank, and a chemical mixing tank. When the material enters the front-end reaction tank, it is first soaked with a high-concentration solution, which helps separate most of the aluminum and plastic. It then enters the rear cleaning tank. Because the material in the front reaction tank is covered with a lot of solution, the second cleaning tank mainly washes off these solutions with clean water. This also produces a low-concentration solution, which can be recycled using a circulation system. Afterwards, the material is conveyed to the first aluminum plastic separator, where high-pressure water washes the material, breaking the aluminum foil into small particles. These particles sink to the bottom and are then pumped by the pulp pump to the second aluminum plastic separator. Meanwhile, the plastic, washed by water, will float and is eventually discharged from the end. The second machine is smaller but serves the same function: to remove any plastic that may still remain on the aluminum and separate it again. This way, both aluminum and plastic are thoroughly separated. This separation method can first separate the plastic and achieve a clean separation. The remaining aluminum particles are then conveyed to the filter press to squeeze out the moisture. The squeezed water flows into the 3-stage sedimentation tank. The clean sedimented water then returns to the circulation system for reuse. Pure aluminum is discharged from the end. This way, the aluminum plastic is fully recycled. The entire system can process 1 ton of waste aluminum plastic per hour.